Welcome back to the channel, boys and girls. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into National Bank of Canada. Alright, so it's pretty simple to log in into the National Bank of Canada. Follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. For those people who do not know what bank this is basically the National Bank of Canada. As I said, National Bank of Canada. So there's a lot of facility provided to you guys if you guys, sign up for National Bank of Canada. If you guys want to know about all of the facility, you can visit nbc.ca, which is the official website of, this bank, and you guys can know about all the, advantage and disadvantage you get by signing up into this bank. Alright, so let's get into the video now. So the first step is you guys need to hit that like and subscribe button to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. After you do that, let's move on to the next step. What you want to do is you want to search for National Bank of Canada like this. After you search for it, you just want to click on this link over here. After you click on it, it's going to take you to its official website over here. Once you're over here, you just want to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to give you these two options, personal or business. Now what you want to do is you want to choose which account you have. If you guys have a personal account, you go for personal. If you have a business, you go for business. I have a personal, so I'm just going to click on personal over here. Once you click on personal, basically it's going to take you to its website where you guys can sign up into your personal account. So you just need to wait for some time. All right, and basically after this page loads up, you need to enter the information it asks you, like your email ID. So after you enter your email ID over here, just like this, the next step is you just want to enter the password of your account. After you do that, you just want to click on sign in. Once you do that, you're good to go. You should be able to log in into your national bank account. Just remember, you need to enter correct email and correct password, and you're good to go. And if you forget your password, there's always an option called forgotten password to recover your password as well. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And it's me, Wichi Kevin, signing out. Bye bye.